Good evening, students. I have already sent you the videos and the class notes for the trigonometry. And in the second part of the trigonometry, I have discussed about the standard angle, trigonometric ratio of standard angle. In standard angle, I mean to say we are mean to discuss only 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. More specifically, we will discuss only these three angles, how to find out its ratio with geometry. Using the geometry, geometrically, how can we find out the trigonometric ratio of these angles? You remember that I have already sent you the notes on this particular topic, but still I feel that if I explain, it will be more easier for you to understand. So there are two parts, 30 and 60 degree will come together. So for, I will write here, for 30 degree and 60 degree. Remember, for 30 degree and 60 degree, we have to consider an equilateral triangle. This is your equilateral triangle ABC, which each side is 2A. Here is also 2A, here is also 2A. So, ABC is an equilateral triangle such that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. You know very well that each angle is 60 degrees. So I have put here 60 degree. Now, one construction is required, AD perpendicular BC. Therefore, BD is equal to DC is equal to A, as well as angle BAD is equal to angle CAD is equal to 30 degree. How it happens? This is a property of an equilateral triangle, that when a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex to its opposite side, the perpendicular divides the opposite side into two equal parts, as well as the vertical angle is also divided into two equal parts. That means this is 30 degree and this will be of course 30 degree. This is BDA and CDA. Now, what I need to find out here, this will become now a right angle triangle, and you know the property of a right angle triangle is what? If you know the all sides of a right angle triangle, you are very well find out the trigonometric ratio, and that only I wanted to find. I have two sides. By using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD, what can you have? AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square, and that is 2A whole square minus A square, that is 4A square minus A square, 3A square. Therefore, AD is equal to root 3A. So it will become now root 3A. Now, you select what you want to find out, 30 degree. So, in the same triangle for 30 degree, what are perpendicular, base and hypotenuse? So, I will write here, for 30 degree, BD is perpendicular, AB is hypotenuse, and BAD is your base. So therefore, in triangle ABD, sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular you have collected? BD by AB. And what is BD? Is A by 2A, that is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to B by H, that is AD by AB. that is root 3a by 2a, cancel root 3 by 2, tan 30 degree, P by B, P is equal to how much? For this P, BD by AD is equal to, BD is equal to A by root 3A, that is 1 by root 3. And now let us take the reciprocal of this, cot 30 degree, B by P, AD by BD, that is root 3A by A cancel only root 3, and then sec 30 degree is equal to H by B, AB by AD is equal to 2A by root 3A, cancel 2 by root 3, and cosec 30 degree is equal to how much? H by P, AB by BD, 2A by A, that is 2. So this is what is the values of 30 degree. Sometime we may be asked, prove that geometrically sine 30 is equal to half. What will you do? Till here it is same, and directly you can go here only sine 30 degree. Suppose you are asked tan 30 degree, prove that tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Till here it's okay, common work. Here also, and then tan only you will take and find out. Similarly, we can find out the 60 degree also. Look at here. Now, for 60 degree, what will you do? You find out perpendicular. How much? AD. Hypotenuse. How much? AB. And base. How much? BD. So therefore, in triangle ABD, sine 60 degree is equal to P by H. For 60 degree, what is P? AD by AB. AD is equal to root 3A by 2A. Cancel root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to B by H. B is equal to A by 2A, that is 1 by 2, and tan 60 degree is equal to P by B. What is P for this? Of course, AD by BD. AD is equal to root 3A by A, cancel root 3. Find out its reciprocal. Cos 60 degree is equal to how much? B by P is equal to BD by AD, A by root 3A, 1 by root 3, and sec 60 degree, H by P, 2A by A, that is 2, cosec 60 degree, H by P, how much? AB by AD is equal to 2A by root 3A, that is 2 by